Today we're checking out the new BLACKVIEW Tab 9. I want to thank them for sending this over to review on the channel. I know I do get comments from time to time on BLACKVIEW products, so I thought I would check this one out. It's currently just under $200, but I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information. It's got a 10.95-inch display at 1200 by 1920 resolution, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. It's got a Unisoc T606 processor. It's got an 8200 milliamp hour battery. It's got a 13 megapixel camera on the back, 8 megapixel on the front. It also comes with Android 14, also comes with a tempered glass screen protector. You can see it comes with a case as well, so that's kind of nice. Also comes with the USB-C to USB-A charging cable and 10-watt adapter as well. Of course, your owner's manual. You also have your micro SD card removal tool as well. It does have a plastic material on the back. Still looks pretty good overall though. Sort of looks like two cameras, but that one's just a flash. Power and volume buttons are there on the top. Charging port and micro SD card slot there on the bottom. It looks like you also have a headphone jack there on the corner. And then you have one speaker on each side. Now when setting up, you've got gesture or 3-button navigation. You also have face unlock on here as well. Okay, pretty nice wallpaper. Kind of reminds me of another tablet I've seen before. Swipe up anywhere on the home screen to get to all of your apps. You can see mostly the ones from Google. Up in the notification shade, get most of your typical stuff. You will notice this does have PC mode as well. And then stuff like nightlight, flashlight, airplane mode, location, hotspot, dark theme, nearby share, and so on. Left of the home screen, you've got the Google Discover newsfeed. I would say pretty good options for default wallpapers. You'll also notice you have the taskbar down at the bottom, the app drawer shortcut over in the corner. It's using just over 11 gigabytes of the 256 available. Now if you switch it to PC mode, you've got the app drawer over in the corner, and then a row of shortcuts or taskbar down at the bottom that has your shortcuts to volume, Wi-Fi, those types of things, notifications, and your navigation buttons. The screen quality on here is actually a little better than I was expecting. The nice thing is this is Widevine L1, which is going to be nice for streaming apps like Netflix. It'll play up to 1080p resolution for YouTube videos as well. Now performance-wise, it's sort of what you would expect on a tablet like this. Not going to be the best out there, but it might be just good enough for some. Obviously, it's going to depend on what types of stuff you'll need to do. I did notice it feels a little sluggish at times and could be a little more powerful in my opinion, especially if you plan on doing gaming or anything that's a little more intense. If you plan on watching YouTube videos, Netflix, that type of stuff, then this would probably be fine. I also ran my typical battery drain test at 100% screen brightness, and this tablet lasted about 6 hours before dying, so about average compared to other tablets I've tested. It should have plenty of juice to last a couple days with mixed use, even longer if you turn the screen brightness down. Now, even though there's just one speaker on each side, these actually sound louder than I was expecting. Here's a quick sample just to give you an idea of what it sounds like. It's got a pretty simple camera app on here. You've got video, capture, portrait, and beauty. Pretty slow shutter speed on here. The photo quality doesn't look too bad on here, at least in my studio lighting, and it shoots up to 1080p resolution for video recording. Here's just a few quick samples, just to give you an idea of what to expect. As you can see from these samples, not really the best quality, and you'll probably want to use your cell phone. And I'm not sure if this would be a better option than some of the bigger names out there like Samsung with the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. I feel like the build quality on this one is pretty decent. The screen quality for streaming videos and that type of stuff is a little better than I was expecting as well. The other thing to consider would be software updates. I'm not familiar with how many software updates you would get from BLACKVIEW on a tablet like this, so just something to think about. But if you like tablets, phones, and other tech, I've got a lot more stuff that I'm working on, so you'll want to keep an eye out for those upcoming videos.
So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.